Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop showing content from mail in Siri search on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, tap on the mail, tap on the Siri and search. Once you are here, just make sure this one right here is off. So no longer the mail content is going to appear in the search in the Siri. So in this section right here, or just when you swipe down. Now if you're going to tap mail, only the application is going to come up, but not the content of it. So this is it. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!